This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Corvettes at Carlisle. We're checking out the AeroWagen, Callaway AeroWagen. Supercharged 757. That many ponies. Based off the Z06. Is that nice? I love all the ground effects. And of course, the Callaway right there. AeroWagen. And check this out, folks. What do you think? Very interesting. Very interesting. I like the carbon fiber throughout, the small window. Now look at the carbon fiber up on top. It goes back with the carbon fiber roof. I can't get into it because it is closed up. That's the carbon fiber hatch assembly. And what's nice is that it replaces the original. So you can go back to the original if you want. It's just an add-on. So what do you think, folks? The Callaway AeroWagen? What do you think? This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Corvettes at Carlisle. Make sure you post your events on NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, and UKWheelsEvents.com. I'll see you at the shows.
Wedding picture's gonna look like